Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. S&P 500 E-mini futures, and you see that we have spiked here in the last 20 minutes or so. The ECB has announced that they're going to propose a 6 months delay in dealing with the Greek problem. So dealing with the Greek problem in 2015 is a lot like dealing with the Greek problem, a few years ago. People are going to make threats, and when the rubber comes to the road, we're just going to push it off, and then we'll end up funding them in some other way. No big deal. So we spiked up as high as 2059. I'll be very interested to see if that holds up for the balance of the day. I fully expect to see a move back to 2046. That's where we popped from when the rumor hit. Typically what we see is big moves either up or down off of these rumors, then you see the rumors revert back. So I was, I got a short on up in the 57 area, and we'll see how it goes. The key for the S&P today on the future side is, can the bulls get back over 62 now? And more importantly, can they stay over 62? The Bears, didn't have a huge day yesterday. It was just a solidly red day. They made lows down in the 38 area. They were able to create a lower high, push down and make a lower low. So they had a decent day. They're going to have to overcome central bank news. And, traditionally over the last couple of years, they've been unable to do that. It's just too much. It's just too much to bear, no pun intended, for them to overcome all of that buying. So we'll see what happens. If we see a push to new lows today, if we see this move reject, similar to the pop off of jobs, it's just another feather in the cap of, under the surface, potentially there's a serious character change in this market where news and activity that was deemed 100% bullish a couple of years ago is no longer so. So I will be very interested to see if the bulls can hold these highs. If they're able to, then the key area is the Friday high up at 2068, and then potentially to the upper Bollinger Band around 74. If the Bears can break the Globex low, which is 40.5, then they go to work on yesterday's low at 36.5, and at that point you begin to move down to the weekly pivot at 31, and you've got the middle Bollinger Band coming in today at around 27.5. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, Princetontrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.